Hello everyone, I am Rajat Gankuri from FinalRevise and today I will discuss about how you can register yourself for due PG admission 2020. Let's start with the first search, due PG admission. Click on due PG admission portal. As you are the new user, click on new user registration. Let's start with the email. Create password. Your mobile number. First name. Date of birth. Select the category. Gender. Nationality. State of domicile. CW category. If you are from minority category, then you can select Christian or Sikh, otherwise not applicable. EWD category. Select the university here. Mother name or father name. You can mention any of this. Put up the verification code here. Click on register. Click on register. You will get the OTP on your mail or on your number. Put up that OTP here. Verification code. And then submit OTP. And that's it. Thank you. Do subscribe FinalRevise. Thank you. Do login again. Put your password here. Then verification code. And then login. You will get this page. Upload your passport size photograph and other details and postal address, and then click on upload. That's it. Thank you guys. Do follow FinalRevise. Thanks again.